Hey there! Welcome back to my kitchen faucet channel. And today we're going to show you how to repair an Oakland kitchen faucet. Whether it's a leaky faucet, low water pressure, or a handle that's hard to turn, we've got you covered. Let's dive right in. Tools and materials: adjustable wrench, screwdriver, plumber's tape, replacement parts bucket or towel, cleaning brush or old toothbrush. Step-by-step repair. Step 1. Turn off the water supply. Before we begin, make sure to turn off the water supply to your sink. You'll usually find the shut-off valves under the sink. Turn both the hot and cold water valves to the off position. Once they're turned off, turn on the faucet to drain any remaining water. Step 2. Disassemble the faucet. Next, we'll disassemble the faucet. Start by removing the handle. Depending on your faucet model, you might need a flathead screwdriver to pry off the decorative cap, then use a Phillips head screwdriver to remove the screw holding the handle in place. Once the screw is removed, you can lift the handle off. With the handle removed, you'll see the cartridge or valve. Use an adjustable wrench to loosen and remove it. Pay attention to how the parts come apart, as you'll need to reassemble them in the same order. Step 3. Inspect and replace parts. Now that we have the faucet disassembled, inspect the cartridge and other components for any signs of wear or damage. Common issues include worn O-rings, gaskets, and washers. If any of these parts are damaged, it's time to replace them. You can find replacement parts at your local hardware store or online. Step 4. Clean and reassemble the faucet. Before reassembling the faucet, take this opportunity to clean the components. Use a small brush or toothbrush to remove any mineral deposits or debris. This will help ensure smooth operation and prevent future issues. Once everything is clean and ready, reassemble the faucet in the reverse order of disassembly. Insert the cartridge or valve, secure it with the adjustable wrench, and then reattach the handle with the screw and decorative cap. Step 5. Turn on the water supply and test the faucet. Turn the water supply back on by opening the shut-off valves under the sink. Once the water is on, turn on the faucet to check for leaks and ensure everything is working properly. If you notice any leaks, you might need to tighten the connections or recheck the installation. Now that the repair is complete, let's review the Oakland kitchen faucet. Here, discuss its features, build quality, and ease of maintenance. Highlight any standout aspects, such as its design, functionality, and overall performance, and there you have it. Repairing an Oakland kitchen faucet is a straightforward task that can save you time and money. Just follow these steps, and you'll have your faucet working like new in no time. Thanks for watching. If you have any questions, please leave a comment below. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more DIY tips and tricks.